Welcome to our robotics channel. Join us as we dive into the exciting world of robotics. My son and me will be building cool bots, exploring their building blocks, and learn to code. To kick things off, we're launching a video series using the Spike Essentials kit. This kit is perfect for elementary school kids who are new to robotics. In each episode, we'll create a brand new bot and also understand how it works. So let's get ready to build, learn, and have fun.
This is what I was talking about like the funny noises. Okay, now I'm actually gonna do something about very funny. I need to take all these. I guess I'm gonna take about like 10. Actually, this is enough. I'm gonna take this out of here. There now. That's it. For here. This is actually gonna be very funny. That sound. It's gonna be very funny. Okay. Oh. Here. I'm not done yet with the funny thing. That's where is it? Oh, where is it? Oh, it's not done. Okay. So you're gonna start recording again when I'm actually like done? Okay. That was burp 3. Oh yeah, here's burp 1. There. Oh, there. Add sound. Okay, there for 2. There. There, that was my funny thing I was gonna do.
What do is add a delay between each of these.
Actually, I am not done. One, 2. There. Oh my god, why is this thing not going? Oh, I guess I'm leaving that there. Okay. Almost. Nope, not repeating. Okay. Wait, I'm doing something first. I think it's somewhere over here. There, done.